Hey Python Pulse. In this video, we will learn how to create virtual environment in Python and what is the importance of virtual environment in Python. Okay, we will see. So let's start with question why we need virtual environment. If you see, I am using Python 3.12, but if you see in my system, you can also able to see in my system also there Python 3.10 is also there. That is Python 3.12 and that is Python 3.10. But I want to run all this code in Python 3.10. So for this case, you will face some problem of dependency of Python library. Suppose you want to install Panda. Okay, that is a library of Python. So if you write simple command pip install pandas, it will install with respect to Python 3.12 and is dependency directory. You are not able to find in Python 3.10. So in simple, you can think like that. For each project, you need to specific Python version to run the code. And if you see, there's a lot of library and dependencies, there are a lot of dependencies to each other. So to control this, we need to use virtual environment for each project. So if you select only Python 3.10 and your parent want to set up this project in his system, if you say I am using Python 3.10, he can create a virtual environment for Python 3.10 and he can easily download all dependency that is there. Okay, and it will easily run in his system. Okay, so the main role here to create an environment for a particular project, that is virtual environment. Okay, so first you need to install the pip install virtual environment. If you I already use Python 3 in my system only, there is no Python 2. So if you use Python 2 in your system, then you need to change the command, that is pip install virtual environment to pip3 install virtual environment. It is already installed in my system, so no necessary to install now. Okay, after installation you need to check virtual environment is installed in your system or not. So then you need to simply run the command. You will see the version is 20.220. okay, so virtual environment already installed in my system. Okay, then you can create the using command python 3 -m venv and you give the name of your environment myenv. Okay, so let me clear and see what is this. So if you run this command, then you will see that will execute and one folder will create it. And if you see the file, that is Python 3.12 is selected for this virtual environment and all dependencies will be installed here. If you install something, if you install panda, if you install numpy, then all dependencies will be installed here. Okay, so that is for version 3.12. okay, but if you think I want to create a virtual environment for Python 3.10, then you can write this command like 3.10 -m venv. Then if you check the virtual environment, you will see that is 3.10 is work here, and that is the directory where the Python 3.10 is installed. Okay, so that is a simple panda of virtual environment. If you want to activate, you need to activate this virtual environment, otherwise it is not work. So for this case, you need to run the command. So for Windows, you need to run this command. I will share with you this repo, and you can access this virtualenv.md file. You can access the command or thing. And for Mac OS, you need to run this Mac or Linux, that is source myenv, then bin, the folder is bin /activate, then it will activate and you will see something is add here. So then it is clear, there is no nothing. So that is means your virtual environment is active. If you install anything, then this dependency will be installed in this library folder. So this for project, if you set up the virtual environment for this project, you run the code only Python 3.10, then you need to create like a stuff. If you not, then it will run with Python 3.12. okay, you active your virtual environment and somehow you want to deactivate your virtual environment, then you need to run simple command deactivate. Okay, then this virtual environment deactive. And if you run here pip something, then it will install in Python 3.12 folder, lib folder. Okay, so that's it for today video. We'll see you soon in next video. Okay, bye.